In this video, we're going to convert the mass of the electron into these new units, MeV per c squared, that are really convenient for doing nuclear physics calculations. And where this comes from is writing down the famous equation E equals mc squared for the energy equivalence of a mass, and c squared there is the speed of light squared. And we'll also need this same equation solved for m. And we start by finding the energy equivalence of the mass of one electron. So we have 9.11 times 10 to the negative 31 kilograms for the mass. And there's the speed of light squared. And when I run the numbers on this, I get 8.199 times 10 to the negative 14 joules. Now we convert that energy into mega electron volts. And we remember that there's 1 eV for every 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19 joules. That's the energy of an electron passing through a 1 volt potential difference. And then we'll convert to MeV, 1 MeV for every million electron volts. And this comes out to 0.512 MeV. Then we go back to our famous equation E equals mc squared, solved for m, and we can now write our mass as the energy equivalent of that mass in MeV, that's 0.512 MeV, over c squared, and we've got the mass of the electron in MeV per c squared. If you find the physics content on Zach's Lab helpful, click on the Zach's Lab logo on the right to browse playlists and subscribe to the channel. I produce over 100 new videos per month, and subscribing is the easiest way to find new content. Thanks for watching.